getting to know all about you. Gee, but I like you and I hope you like me.
Regular compliance reviews are essential because they help ensure firms are meeting their regulatory obligations and that they operate in such a way that investors are being protected. They also give us an opportunity to catch issues early before they escalate into something serious. But beyond that, these reviews are about promoting a culture of compliance. We want firms to see compliance not just as a checklist, but as a part of how they operate their business every day. When that mindset is embedded in a firm's operations, it leads to a better outcome for clients, stronger internal controls, and ultimately a more trustworthy securities industry.
Oh, baby, baby, I did it again.
We often come across areas where firms could use a bit of strengthening, such as record keeping that may not be up to standard, policies and procedures that may have not been updated in a while, or disclosure statements that could be made clearer. These are not necessarily signs of misconduct. Rather, they're usually the result of growing pains or limited resources or simply not being aware of the expectations. That's why our compliance reviews are designed to be constructive. We're not just pointing out the issues, we're helping the firms identify gaps and build stronger and more resilient compliance systems that could support both their business and investor protection. Outside of work, I really enjoy spending time with my husband and my kids. We love to travel whenever we can, go for walks, explore different areas in Nova Scotia. It's a great way to unwind and stay connected. I've also developed this passion for real estate investing, so I always find myself updating myself on recent trends or looking into new opportunities. And at home, I'm the go-to person for fixing things, so I love a good DIY project, whether it's organizing, repairing, or improving something around the house.